Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, and this is our latest video for the Audi Q5. This is the 2.0 TFSi 45 S-Line S-Tronic Quattro. The car was first registered 19th of July 2019, just one former keeper, benefiting from a comprehensive Audi and Audi specialist service history. Just had a oil service with spark plugs and gearbox oil change completed, along with a new set of front brake pads and MOT through until 19th of June 2025 with no advisories. The car's finished in Mythos Black. Focuses the part leather Alcantara interior. Completed just over 58,000 miles. It's a Euro 6 petrol engine producing 242 brake horsepower, compliant with the ultra low emission zones. Manufacturer's claimed average MPG just over 32 to the gallon. It benefits from optional 20-inch upgraded wide-spoke alloy wheels, LED headlights and a technology pack. As with the exterior of this 5-year-old Audi, it's in very good condition for its age and its mileage. Isofix location points to both outer rear seat as well as the passenger side front seat. High levels of internal specification with sat-nav as standard, as well as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Digital dash with the technology pack. It's got wireless phone charging cradle, which is located just there. Electric windows all round, electric folding wing mirrors, front and rear parking sensors, cruise control, auto hold and paddle shift, as well as obviously Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music streaming, along with AM/FM, DAB radios, as well as a CD player. Twin USB inputs, as well as auxiliary and SD card inputs. This Q5 is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It will be supplied with both remote control keys. As you can see, the tonneau cover is present in the boot. All paperwork's present, including the digital service history, and no spare wheel on these models. It comes with a tyre inflator and gel pack. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can reserve the car online for £100. PDF copies of the vehicle documents are available, along with the part exchange page, customer testimonials and our interactive finance calculator, giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this video.